name is Karen Warfel. I am the City of Fort Lauderdale's Transportation Planning Manager. We're standing today in Flagler Village, which is a hub of creativity and multimodal access and close to our downtown. The city is hosting a mobility workshop for the Safe Street Summit 2023, where you'll see tactical urbanism examples that we've recently completed around town, including Northeast 15th Ave. That was a lane elimination and a great partnership with the MPO and the neighborhood to implement an interim project while we wait for the long-term project, as well as a project in the Mass District and Flagler Village to slow traffic. As part of this mobile workshop, you'll learn from neighborhood representatives, business community representatives, the city, the county, and the MPO on how we all work together and leverage each other's resources to create a more connected community in Fort Lauderdale. Please join us on this mobile workshop and at the Safe Street Summit 2023 in Hollywood, Florida. See you there.